The installation of the new 2014 concrete filler block. With a weight of 18.5 pounds, the new filler block is easier to handle and more economical. The Contec joist should be installed as normal. The regular filler block must now be installed on the ends of the joist. The new block can be installed faster, requiring less labor and effort. It is certainly safer to handle, and positioning onto the joist is easier. As you can see, the new blocks are installed between the two regular blocks positioned on the ends. It produces the same flat surface created by the old filler block. The underside of the floor is uniform and neat. Within 2 hours, half the floor was finished, with only 2 men at work. Surely, it can be finished in less than half of a day. After all the blocks are laid, a 2-inch reinforced concrete deck can now be installed.